Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are new here, this is CapCut Ninja. I am going to show you today how to play around with captions. If you import any type of video, I will just be using this one for today's example. It's a fun video of someone playing guitar by the bridge. I'm going to import this video to my project, and I am going to click this record button. Now you will have to click it one more time, and you can confirm which microphone is your input device. Another thing I would suggest is clicking echo reduction. That just reduces any noise in the background. I'm going to click record. Once the countdown is done, you can start talking, and as you can see down here, my voice is being recorded as I speak, and at the end I will show you the final result and all the fun things you can do with this caption. I clicked stop to stop recording, and I could just hit record again to continue another clip, or I can X out of that to start editing what I just did. So I'm going to X out of it. And now you can see my audio clip that was just recorded. And what I want to do now to create captions on this specific audio clip is, with it highlighted, I'm going to go over to text here at the top and click auto captions. You're going to select your language and click create. It's going to create auto captions automatically, which is so convenient, so you don't have to type in word for word into text. So now you can see here, I'm going to zoom in, but all of my captions have been recorded here. So now you can see all of your captions are here on your text line. So in order to change the look of your captions, you can, well, first you can move them around to wherever you want them to be. And as you can see, this is checked to apply to all. So when I make one change to my text right now, it's going to apply to all of the text in my video. So it will keep it consistent. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to change the look of my captions altogether. I'm going to use this template here, which I think is great. I use this a lot in my videos where it changes from white to yellow. You click it one time and it changes it. So let's see how it looks right now. Once the countdown is done, you can start talking, and so the yellow sort of follows along with your voice. I am going to make my text bigger and put it down here like you would typically see, and then you can go into your basic tab and change the font size or anything else you would like to do here. You can also go to captions and look at all of your captions as a whole. And if you want to change something, you can just change the text here. And it just changes it easily from one view here. You can change the color. This does take away the template that I already applied, but you can change all of them at once here by just choosing a preset style. Also, if you just want to change one caption and not all of the rest, you'll want to unclick Apply to All. And then as you go forward, anything you make, it will just apply to that clip that you have highlighted. So you can see this one was applied and this one was not. I will change this one to green, and this is what it looks like. Another great feature that CapCut offers is allowing you to import text and then changing that text to speech. Let me show you really quick. If you were to just click text and import any type of text, so I'm just going to say, hello, CapCut world. You can go to text to speech here at the top and choose any of these voices, and it will translate these words into someone's voice. Let's see how it works here. Hello, CapCut world. Hello, CapCut world. So you don't even have to use your own voice for a video. You could literally just do this and then choose a voice, and you don't even have to speak in your video. You can just type it out. Finally, the last thing I want to show you is how to add some animation to your captions. So under the animation section, you can choose with your text clip highlighted. You can choose any of these options to animate your text. I will choose something pretty basic called the wave in. And now I can see it in action. My voice is being recorded as I speak. Thank you guys so much for listening to this tutorial today. I really hope you learned something. If you did, please subscribe and come back for more.